just really quickly, since it's raining, I want to cover the downstairs space. We have a nice alley that takes you to your one-car garage. And you could build a deck up on there, like these individuals have. Let's see here. It's nice to see water moving away from the property. It's good. The mortar on the property looks really great. Security system. This window cranks out, which is awesome, especially for a kitchen. I do love the kitchen design a lot. I think it's really smart use of materials. Door locked. There we go. Let it crank out. Yeah. Yeah, just very efficient. Side by side, lots of space. Really nice cabinetry. It just really looks good. Plank flooring is really smart. We have this wonderful sliding door for the laundry. That's a nice stop. I did it a little too far. Again, that should have a nice little break maybe. It'd be good to put a break in on that. The people that live here have a really nice eye, I think, for Scandinavian design. Really exquisite. Really nice job. So nice. Kept it really simple. So this goes to our basement, which was a really nice unfinished basement, pretty dry, brand new systems. Our half bath. Again, really great design ideas, I think. It's just delicious. I love that. Okay. We'll quickly do let's save the basement for last. A little two-step down there for, okay. And we're gonna go up. Like this we go. We're going to start in the nursery. They used this room as access point out for their deck. Neighbors have a beautiful garden next door. I love the trim line of the radiators, encompassing all of the window. It's really nice. Okay. And, got me sold if you like monkeys. Let me turn off this light as well. Cute little flooring ideas. I love the mixed pattern. They did a great job. It's really, really lovely. Well, there's my... There it is. Okay. Guest bedroom. All right. Very smart. pocket door's a little tricky. Yes, there's a mechanism that I'm not seeing. But anyway, really nice closet space. Nice and good depth. Mirrored doors. Looks on in the front. Shared patios, the weeping cherry, maple. And again, we have the nice narrow radiators are just, I think, smashing. Right. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so just a lovely home. Seemingly very well kept. Just absolutely love it. Just see a picture of the door. All right. I'm going to skip the basement. If you're interested in the home, I'll take you on the tour of the basement. How's that? So, love doing these. It's such a special place. They did a wonderful job. The renovation is remarkable. Really smart design, and they kept it high end, I think, in the simplicity, and there's a real warmth to it. They did a great job. It has a wonderful master plan, layout. I think just everything. So you can get a glimpse. And it's a wonderful area. The neighborhood is spectacular. Generally, the walking score is just up there. It's safe. Yeah, let's see. What else can I say about it? I mean, this is a home I would recommend, to anyone of my customers that had a liking for it. The downstairs was was really in good shape. There was very little evidence of water penetrating this space, and that's true for the whole building. The roof that I looked at was great. The drainage on the outside looks like it's working and doing its job. It has been doing its job. And these things add up to a house that is, just going to last. And they have it. I would imagine that it's probably hard to give this up. So I hope they're onto something really fantastic in a beautiful new place. I'll be telling my client that he should make an offer on it, actually. So we'll see. Hopefully he'll get it, and maybe you'll see, stay tuned in the future, you'll see I sold it online, and here we have, it's just pouring rain right now. So maybe we'll come back tomorrow and take a look and make sure there is no water in the basement. But for now, what a special place. And I'm going to run like the wind to my car. And it hasn't been that bad of a summer. Haven't gotten too wet this summer, so that's nice. But it looks like that's about to change. So thank you again. This is Lee O'Malley with Weichert Realtors in Doylestown, PA. And it was an absolute pleasure to take you on this little journey. I love seeing homes like this. I mean, just remarkable. And maybe this one was still on? Don't know. And you try to remember to say, to the best of your abilities, which light was on when you came. And it is devil hard sometimes. So, thank you. Hopefully, my client will make an offer and I'll do that. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's so wet. Reach out to me. My link tree is in my bio. And you can reach me from there. And the lockbox is at the bottom of the railing. Oh, it's soaked. Oh man. Okay, well, what can you do? I do these because I want you to see what it really is like to be a realtor. But this is certainly what it's like some days. But I really do love it, and it'd be a pleasure to help you sell your home or help you find a home of your dreams. Take good care. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.